In less than 5 minutes, this video will show you how to putt with more accuracy, see the ball better, and in turn, lower your score. And it doesn't take a lot of time or money. Introducing the Vernier Acuity System, a scientific method of easily and consistently aligning the ball for improved accuracy. The human eye is an amazing mechanism. It not only sees and translates a world of light, images, and color, it calculates distances, motion, and alignments very well. But not well enough to overcome one of the most difficult problems in golf: accuracy. Perspective is the first issue. In the typical putt, the player crouches behind the ball to determine the proper direction, but he then moves from behind the ball to directly over the ball before putting. This change in perspective makes it more difficult for the golfer to accurately interpret data from two separate viewpoints. Alignment of the eye is a second major issue. The eye needs multiple lines to determine a correct path, as in this example of Navy pilots judging a glide path during carrier landings. This is called a vernier alignment visual task. The same vernier task is applicable to the golf shot. If we place an arrow or a line on the golf ball itself to help the player align the putt, the eye still has trouble calculating a straight line from a single reference point. The eye falls off to the side of the line. But by using a center line and two flanking lines of a different size and color, also called indicia, the eye is brought to a natural focus on the center line. This is the science of accuracy. It is referred to as vernier acuity, the ability of the eye to identify offsets in parallel lines or dots. Applied to a golf ball, we get a system of accuracy that relies on science. It is simple to the eye, but the technology behind it is exacting. The offset size and spatial arrangement of the lines is critical. There is also evidence that if flanking lines are a contrasting color to the center line, performance is improved 2 to 3 times that of 3 lines the same color. A red center line with either green or blue flanking lines is especially effective. Because the 3 primary cones in the human eye interpret red, blue, and green, a red center line with either blue or green flanks improves target accuracy by about 20%. But other color combinations produce nearly the same result as long as spatial relationships of the indicia are maintained. This shotgun sight is a good example of how a 3-point indicia system with contrasting colors helps the shooter see an accurate line. When the system is applied to a golf ball, the center line of the ball and the center of the cup will now act as a vernier task that should improve alignment by a factor of 5 to 10 times that of standard visual acuity. Putts and drives are more accurate, and the golfer has more confidence in his or her game. And it works every time because this technology is based on the principles of science, not gimmicks. After testing to verify results, a patent has been applied for, and of course the vernier acuity